dog status, Bill Hubble. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Go your bag, told the.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy 36J, and we are back with another fire video. So, in today's video, it is raining, and y'all know what that means. We are going to do a POV drive of sliding every corner in my Catless Flame Tune V6 Charger.
We do not care.
We haven't done one of these videos in a while. I like doing it because it gets the car sideways, but now that we got the flames, the advanced burbles, and I'm Catless, the car is gonna sound crazy. But make sure y'all hitting that like and subscribe, bro. We are on the road to 2,500 subs. Let's keep on going. I appreciate y'all. Go subscribe. Go subscribe. Go subscribe.
Back the fuck up. I knock the fuck out you.
I will be on the GoPro, so I'll hop on the GoPro. 1, 2, 3. All right, y'all. Let's go get it. Like, if y'all look, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's coming down pretty good. So hopefully I can get the car sideways, but y'all know the vibes. It's gonna be a little POV drive with the burbles and all that, but y'all know it's not that video. Turn that traction and stability off without that start. Traction sport, stability off. Like, this shit is loud. I don't even know if y'all can hear me. Oh my gosh. It's coming down pretty hard right now. So why not go try to get the car sideways? Why not? Why not? Why not? What's the worst that can happen? I don't know. I got the wheel, so let's see. I honestly cannot remember the last time I did like a rainy POV. I think the last time I did one was when that was back when my GoPro was broke and I had like my phone mounted like right here and I was like sliding the corners and all that. But now y'all can see right here with the steering wheel, the POV and all that, got the stars going. So let's see if I can get this thing sideways. Trying to like drift or like slide a car with like 295s and up, like that tire is just huge. Like it's a wide tire. So like trying to get the car wide is like kind of hard. All right, y'all, so we done made it to Mexico City. Let's see if I can get bendy around some corners. Hopefully I can get like a good little red light, see if I can walk it. But let's get bendy, bro. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's gonna happen. Like I said, I say it in every video. Every time I do a POV video, something random happens, or I just see some weird stuff. So hopefully we can keep that going. But let's see. Oh. Ooh. Oh yeah. Had to catch that light. But let's see if I can get bendy. Got me a red light. Let's see if I can walk it up the hill real quick. Oh my God, this shit sound crazy. God, wish I could put the windows down. Put the windows down just a little bit. Oh my God. Bomboclat. That shit sound evil, bro. Sound evil. I walked it up a little bit. Let's see if I can get this little corner right here. There we go. Got a little bendy right there. A little one-hand action.
What do you mean by that?
I told y'all, bro. Bro. Leave in the comments down below if I should start drifting or sliding, bro, cause I think I got some pretty good hands. What y'all think? I think I got some pretty good hands. I got my favorite little spot right here to make some noise. God damn. wish I could hear this shit like in person. Oh my God, I wish I could hear it. I wish I could hear it in person. Like it is so much louder in person, bro. Oh my gosh. Got this little notorious block right here. Let's see how I do going up this. Let's see what I could do. Let's see what I could do. Anybody coming? Perfect. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Manji in that thing. Oh my God. That was perfect. Woo! Oh my God, that felt good. That felt good as hell, bro. Jeez. That shit was just left, right, left. Oh, boy, if I get to slide in, bro, like I say in every video, man, I'm gonna be a problem. I'm gonna be a problemo. But y'all, I need y'all to seriously leave in the comments if I should make this the daily and get a project car, and should the project car be a race car or a drift car. I'm fine with both. I'm fine with both, but I want to know which one y'all want to see. So whichever one y'all want to see is what I'm gonna do. So let's see what y'all want. I cannot tell if that's an unmarked cop car right there, so I ain't even about to gamble with that. I don't know, them ones that be looking like that, can't be trusting them. Them ones cannot be trusted. So I'm about to head to the spot where I be racing at in Mexico, see if I get like the ground is wet, so I feel like if I do a burnout, I ain't gonna like burn too much tread or whatever. So we will head over there real quick and we gonna see if I can get like a good little cloud going. See if I can get this little corner right here. There we go. Yes, sir. That was a good little bend right there. I wasn't expecting it to kick out that much. But we're gonna head over there to see if I can get a good little burnout. I'm gonna try to do a little roll real quick, see if I spin. I probably am. Yes, sir. Spun right there. Yo, this car be getting loose, bro. Oh my gosh, this car gets loose. All right, got the spot. See if I can bend this little corner right here. Not as much. I told y'all, like, these tires, like, low-key, even with the ground being like this wet, like, I don't know, I just feel like the tires just won't kick out if it's not like super wet. Yeah, them 295, especially these Nittos, they be wanting to stick, bro. It's just these damn, I don't know, like the rain is like one of the only times I could really like get my car sideways. Is when it's dry, I can get it like hit or miss, but it's just these tires are so wide. I think I might have to get like a spare set, like maybe like some I'm gonna try 245 on me. 245 should be good. So I might grab like some 275s and for the rear and see how that goes. But let's try this burnout, y'all. Let's see if I can get one real quick. All right, bet this should be perfect. I think I should be able to kick one up. Let's see. These windows down. I couldn't get my front wheels to lock up. but it spun up a little bit. It was like I was like walking it a little bit, but god damn, bro, those advanced burbles will never fail. Like they're just so loud. Like they are just so loud. It don't even make no damn sense. Like dog, it is ridiculous. Get y'all a few more burbles and we gonna head over to the house. But we're not gonna burn up all my gas. I just filled up the car and gas is already going under that. So pick the camera up once I get over to the house. All right, y'all, and we are back from bending those corners. Y'all see, bro, I got hands, bro. Don't cap. I got hands. Don't watch it. When I throw a diff in this, it's gonna be a problem. It's gonna be a problem. But like I was saying earlier, bro, like sometimes the car don't want to get loose. Like these 295s are just huge, bro. Like I don't know how like people with wide bodies be sliding, cause they be, I don't know. I mean, obviously they got more power, but these 295s be not enough for me, man. I might have to get like throw my burners that I have in the house, throw those on the rear one day and try to kill those tires. But yeah, man, your boy can get sideways, so don't think I can't. Don't think I can't. But leave in the comments what kind of videos y'all want to see more of, because I haven't done like, so remember like back when I first started my channel, I haven't done like what's it called? The review videos, like where I review some of my homies' cars. I haven't been able to get any of those lately. The POV drops, they come here and there, but obviously I know my channel is more so racing and stuff like that, but I'm trying to do a little bit of everything, because I have a big audience of people who slide, race, just want the entertainment, all that. So leave in the comments different types of videos that y'all want to see me put out. But the next video should be me reviewing how I like the car Catless, and then the video after that, or I might just make it one video, how I like a Catless, and then how I like the Stage 2 tune from Underground. So that should be the next video, so make sure I stay tuned for that one. But that'll be it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. This is your boy 36J, and I'm out. Bow!